Hello and welcome to How to Make a Fedora Hat video course. My name is Elena Shvab and I'm a London-based milliner with over 10 years of experience designing and handcrafting hats. Alongside my studio work, I also teach millinery courses and had the pleasure of welcoming amazing students from all over the world into this studio. This course is one of their favorites, not only because it results in a beautiful, stylish fedora, but because it's engaging, relaxing, and teaches the essential skills you need to start creating your own hats. In this course, I'll be guiding you through the process of creating a classic felt fedora hat with a modern twist of hand-shaping the crown. I'll show you how just by using a standard dome-shaped crown and stem, you can create multiple variations of fedora hat, a technique that allows you to design bespoke and unique shapes with minimum investment and maximum creativity. This course is perfect for beginners. No prior experience is required. We'll go step by step from preparing your hat blocks to stiffening the felt, hand-shaping the crown, trimming and decorating your hat with a classic headband. By the end of this course, you'll have your own handmade fedora and the confidence to start making your own hats.